Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I've got something that's bound to leave your lips feeling irresistibly luscious. If you're someone who loves a glossy finish with the comfort of a nourishing formula, you're going to want to hear about this one. I'm reviewing the Fenty Beauty Gloss Stix in the shade Two-Lip Kiss. This little beauty promises a high shine, medium pigment finish, but does it deliver on all its claims? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review from us. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stix is designed to give you that perfect balance between a lipstick and a gloss. The formula is loaded with skin-loving ingredients like vitamin E, shea butter, and squalane. These ingredients are essential for locking in moisture and keeping your lips hydrated for up to 8 hours. Something we all need, especially as the weather changes. Plus, there's kiwi oil in the mix, which is known for its nourishing properties, so you can expect your lips to feel soft and supple even after the gloss wears off. As for the application, it's as smooth as it gets. The stick glides on easily without being too heavy, and the texture is incredibly comfortable. It provides that high shine glossiness we all love, but without the stickiness that typically comes with it. That's a major plus, especially for those of us who hate that feeling of hair sticking to our lips on a windy day. When I tried it out in real-life situations, like during my busy morning routine and later on during a quick errand, it held up well without any need for constant reapplication. Of course, like any gloss, you'll need to touch up after meals, but it does a great job of keeping lips moisturized in between. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the gloss gives you a glossy, full pout with a touch of color, which is perfect for those who love a natural look with just a hint of pigment. The moisturizing ingredients like shea butter and vitamin E definitely earn points for making your lips feel soft and nourished throughout the day. On the flip side, the pigmentation is definitely on the lighter side. If you're looking for something bold, this might not be your go-to. It's more about the shine and moisture than full coverage color. The packaging, while sleek, is a little on the small side for the price. So if you're someone who's used to full-size products, you might feel like you're getting less for your money. Speaking of price, this gloss sits at a higher price point for the amount you're getting. Is it worth it? I'd say if you're a fan of high-quality, nourishing lip products and you don't mind splurging a bit, it's definitely worth the investment. The quality of the formula, combined with Fenty's overall commitment to inclusive beauty, makes this a solid choice for anyone who wants a comfortable, glossy finish. Now, if the price doesn't sit well with you, there are definitely alternatives that offer a similar glossy look and moisturizing benefits, like Maybelline's Lifter Gloss or the NYX Butter Gloss. They're more budget-friendly while still delivering a nice shine and hydration. Overall, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stix in Two-Lip Kiss delivers on its promises. It's a luxurious, nourishing formula that gives you the perfect balance of moisture, shine, and comfort. If you're someone who loves a subtle pop of color and all-day hydration, this is a fantastic option. Just keep in mind, if you're craving a more intense color payoff, this might not be the one for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Fenty Gloss Bomb Stix, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you're thinking about picking it up, the link is in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.